Giving and kindness can take many forms, from daily acts of kindness to volunteering your time for someone in need. Now, with technology being such an integral part of our lives today, there are many different platforms and websites where you can donate and volunteer your time from the comforts of your own home. So today, we'll be checking those out. SG United was set up this year in Singapore as a portal for those who are looking to support community efforts for the COVID-19 outbreak. On this website, you can gain access to many platforms where you can either volunteer your time to charities that need manpower for their initiatives or donate to different campaigns like those that provide support to staff in healthcare institutions. You can even fundraise or start your very own volunteering or donation program. It is really easy to support a campaign here. All you have to do is click on Donate to support the vulnerable, and the website will display a few different funds that you can donate to. They also have an app called SG Cares, which you can donate to and volunteer with. As for the safety of donating on the platform, fret not, as they use a top-of-the-line security certified data center to ensure that all your information are kept safe and secure. Next up, we have It's Raining Raincoats. It's an initiative started in 2015 aiming to spread kindness to migrant workers here in Singapore. During this difficult time, they have expanded their help in many different ways. They ran a donation drive to collect and donate hand sanitizers to migrant workers' dormitories. And they have also started to provide free English lessons to migrant workers through video calls. This encourages the workers to stay indoors as much as possible while also being able to learn basic English. I love shopping at supermarkets, and it's even better when I know that I can help someone out while doing so. NTUC Shop and Donate is an online platform where you can make in-kind donations and have them delivered straight to your chosen beneficiaries. Now, at the current time, it says that the platform is unavailable. However, I sure do hope that it will get up and running soon, as it does seem like a pretty awesome initiative. Next up, we have two platforms that use your location to identify people near you who may need help. MaskGoShare is a website by better.sg. You can donate masks or hand sanitizers to someone near you. Besides that, it is also a platform where you can ask for help if you're in need of any essentials. There are 3 parts to this website. By entering your postal code, you can either search to see if anyone near you is requesting for help, or you can also request for help if you need supplies for you or your family. Lastly, they have a map of all 1- and 2-bedroom HDB rental flats in Singapore, so you can look for the blocks nearer to you and leave a gift in someone's mailbox. Buildings with 1-bedroom flats are highlighted in red. The next platform is Good Hood SG. It's a ground-up initiative that connects neighbors kampong style. All you need to do is download their app and you're good to go. When you sign up, you will be connected with neighbors around your estate. If you are concerned about privacy though, no other address or contact information will be shown except for your neighborhood. On this app, you're able to request and offer help, give, receive and exchange items, and even list your services for free. And the app is really easy to use. You can post, comment, or chat directly so that each neighbor can seek or offer help effectively for or from the right person. And here's a small reminder that you can still continue to do so even after the circuit breaker period. FoldingAtHome is a project focusing on disease research. With its software, you are able to share your unused computer processing power with researchers to help with the intensive research of diseases, including the COVID-19 virus. These researchers tend to face many problems with computer processing power, as their research requires many computer calculations that their computers alone are unable to handle. FoldingAtHome runs and works to help with the research while your computer is turned on and connected to an active internet connection. You can still continue to use your computer normally while it's running, with almost negligible impact to your computer's speed. All you have to do is download the FoldingAtHome software, install it, and it's ready for use. This is a pandemic that we are facing, and we need every single person to chip in. And chip in you can, virtually of course. With all these donation and volunteering platforms available online, everyone can do their small part just by making use of these convenient tools. Every little gesture counts.